accused number 5 will say that on the 26th of October 2014, he was at work in Boksburg from the morning to the afternoon, which is 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock on that day. And thereafter, he moved to George Koch hostel, wherein he met with accused number 3 and 4.
I do know that they were together that day, my lord. In other words, accused 3, 4, 5, but later joined by 1 and 2.
I'll then display this version later on through the evidence of the cell phone records. And then secondly, accused number 5 denies that he was with accused number 4, 3, 2, and 1 at Basotho hostel in Vosloorus, as per your evidence.
No, but that will be not correct, my lord, because my evidence is based on the investigation, on the outcome of the investigation, and I've referred to the statement of Constable Zungu. I've referred to the statement of Kwabeni, the people who saw, in particular, accused 5 there with the vehicle that he was driving. Such, my lord, is further mentioned on exhibit HH and JJ by accused number 2 himself.
Accused number 5 will further, can I proceed, my lord? Thank you, my lord. Will further tell this court that he never drove a Polo, which has been described by yourself on the 26th of October at Basotho hostel in Vosloorus.
Why, sorry, why did you say it has been described by himself? Is that the evidence?
My lord,
that it is described by Brigadier Gninda and not witnesses. Or you are not listening to yourself?
No, not really, my lord. The reason why I framed it like that is because the witness referred to the evidence of Constable Zungu.
Yeah, but that's not his evidence. He says he derives the evidence from statements made by Gwabeni, at least at the Basotho hostel, and Zungu.
Yes.
But now you are saying he is describing the fact that your client will deny that he was driving that vehicle, as if he is the one who is saying he was there at Basotho hostel. He's not saying
or
this.
maybe, my lord, if I can rephrase to say as you were told by Constable Zungu.
Yeah, just so put it properly.
Thank you, my lord.
So my lord, the evidence of...
Should I repeat, my lord?
Yeah, put it properly.
Thank you.
Accused number 5 will deny...
Accused number 5 will deny that he drove the Polo vehicle as you have been told by Constable Zungu on the 26th of August 2014 at Basotho hostel.
Yeah, my lord, I don't think that will be true, because it's not only Constable Zungu who mentions that. Kwabeni mentions that he was driving that vehicle, and as I said, it is further correlated by or mentioned by accused 2 in exhibit HH and JJ that indeed accused 5 was driving a silver Polo, my lord.
Accused number 5 will also deny that he entered into the bedroom or into the room belonging to Kwabeni at the hostel in the presence of Constable SS Zungu.
My lord, that's not true, because like I said, in addition to Constable Zungu, you have to look at Kwabeni, what he says in his statement, but also HH and JJ places accused 5 at some meeting room. I'm just not sure whether it's his room or Kwabeni's room, but there was a room that was used prior to the killing of the deceased in this matter.
Accused number 5 will further deny that he discussed, he planned, together with all the 4 accused who are before this court, the killing of the deceased at Basotho hostel on the 26th of October 2014 in the room as it has been said before this court.
My lord, that's not what the evidence revealed. The evidence revealed that there was a meeting on the 26th of October 2014 at the hostel. That's where the coming together of the accused is picked up. They left together. The deceased was then killed. They went back to the said hostel. You find that, like I said, my lord, in exhibit HH and JJ. You find that also in supporting statements. What you also find, my lord, is that in exhibit JJ, allegations are made that the trigger point of this whole thing is Miss Kelly Kumalo. In support of that, you then find the communication that was picked up by the cell phone analyst with regard to the calls that were made on the 2nd of August 2014 that links now accused 5 to Ms. Kelly Khumalo, and the 15th of August 2014. So the last call of the 15th of October, my apologies, my lord, the second call of the 15th of October 2014, it's about 11 days before. That is the one that we could account for. It's 11 days before the incident took place. And this call was recovered on deleted items of Ms. Kelly Khumalo. In other words, there was an effort or an attempt to delete this number, but the analysts were able to recover it, and that number then was linked then to accused number 5. My lord, lastly, it was further, it is because it's contained in HH and JJ that the last amount, I do recall that the last amount of 30,000 as a payment for this contractual killing that was given to accused number 2 was given by accused number 5 according to exhibit HH and JJ. That is the amount of 30,000 that was added to the 15,000 that he initially received at the hostel.
Accused number 5 will tell this court that he never received any money from Kelly Khumalo.